down to the American River. Just got our first drinks of water. Oh, it feels so good. Yeah. We hiked from something about that high just over this way. It was brutal, but we're here. And they worked the hell out of this spot. Look at those piles of tailings everywhere. We're just doing our first pans now. Set up camp, and then we're gonna hit it hard. We got 4 days here. Man, we're cooking for some good gold. It's gonna be awesome. All right, Braden's got his first pan and he wins first gold of the trip. Got a 20 specker right there. Woo. Oh yeah, good job, buddy.
Wishing Kyle was here. We got him.
Oh, no!
Dude, they'll dry. We'll hang them and dry them. Getting your boots wet.
Getting my boots wet. All right, off to a good start.
Jesus. Dude, my peripheral vision kicks in. I thought it was a snake. I heard this.
Oh, on that thing?
Jesus, dude. Me and snakes right now, dude. Don't even.
Oh, fuck.
All right, I'm watching.
All right, good morning, everybody. Sun just came up a little while ago. We're cooking breakfast and we have got all this to play with. Beautiful bedrock, the water's low, it's gonna be warm. We're in heaven today. Anyway, we're gonna do some work on the gravel bar this morning. Let me show you. Got our first pan for the day here. There. Man, nothing. Been panning around a little bit. Finally got something worth sluicing. Got a big chunk of lead there. And a good mix of fine to medium-sized flakes. So, I think we're gonna have to go upstream, set everything up there, real close to the hole, make it easy working. So we're not lugging buckets like a bunch of dummies. Hey. Man, I just put like a scoop down. We got our first picker. Oh yeah, we're grabbing that, buddy. Yeah. Couple more big bits there. Look at that one. Oh yeah. Right here. Good pieces in here. Yeah. This is great. Oh. There we go. Alright, let's see what's in this crevice. Bedrock over here looks great. Growls aren't quite what you'd want. It's a bit of an outside bend, but that's never a deal breaker. But a mix of really large rocks and silt generally isn't a good sign, so don't have too high hopes, but I gotta try it. Bedrock's just too good. Hey. Oh, we got a nice little bit. Yeah. Alright, I'll take it. That stuff is popping right up. Got some nice looking material jammed in there. It's definitely in the heavy flow, so I wouldn't expect any small gold, but we might get lucky with something bigger. Got a couple little bits, some lead. So we just came from up there. Braden swam across and I just bushwhacked, fell into the water, kept going, crossed way down here. Now we're on this big bar. We got some decent bedrock. The cobble, I'm not so crazy about. It's all similar sized. It's all white and light, but did find this crevice. That stuff is packed in there pretty darn good. So we're gonna try this one. That was a that one was pain. Okay. Oop, where'd it go? There we go. Nice little picker. So we're back here at our sluicing hole. We're gonna fill up some buckets. The theory is it's falling down from these hillsides from all these hydro washings from years and years ago. Let's fill this bucket. Perfect for the blue ball. Pretty fluffy looking stuff. There, it's running a little better. There's our first bit of gold. Right. Well, we have been running some buckets and we finally lost the sun, which is awesome. Finally getting on a little bit of gold. Not the best, but it's something. Well, got the sluice cleaned out. Let's see what we got here. There we go. Got a nice little flake there, but yeah, definitely would be better to be getting more for 3 buckets worth. So I think what I'm gonna do tomorrow, we're gonna go upstream to a different bar and see how it's looking there. All right, everybody. End of our second day here. Let me show you the cleanup. It's not too bad. I'll take it. We got probably 4 or 5 little pickers, some fines, and a bunch of lead. Maybe got a ½ gram there. Hard to say. And we got some mercury in here too. That's probably my biggest piece of the day right there. Not bad. Yeah, all in all, a good adventure. Now it's time to kick back in the hammock, do some chilling. More tomorrow.